भिडिअखौ स्टार्ट खालामनायनि सिगां नोंथांमोनखौ आंनि गोसो गोरबोनिफ्राय खुलुमनाय जासिहरनाय थाबावलायबाय आरोना स' नोंथांमोनाथ' मिथिखाबाय जानो हागौ दाथ' दुरान्ड काप जागासिनो दं आरोना आरो दिनैनि मेट्सखौ गेलेगोनानो जाहैबाय बड'लेण्ड एफसिजों इण्डियान आर्मि आरोना बे मोननै टिमनि गेजेराव दिनैनि फुटबल मेट्स बादायलायनाया जागोन आरोना दा नोंथांमोना जायफोरा आंनि भिडिअसफोरखौ नायनो इन्ट्रेस्ट दङ आंजों लोगोसे नायलांबाय थानो हागोन आरोना थौदो बिदिब्ला दिनैहाय जोङो बिब' बिनानाव सानैजों नायनोसै आरोना आरामनो दा नै जों थांगासिनो दं आरो टट'जोंसो थांगोन आरोना इमान गोजान थाबायबोबाय आरोना गेट नाम्बार 2 जोंसो जोंनिया ओरैथिं हाबनोसै आरो नैबेजोंहाय बेजों हाबनोसै जोंहा आं बेजों खेबनै जाबाय गेट नाम्बार 2 जों नायनाया
गोजोन होनायनि थाखाय आं बिथांनिसिम रोजा रोजा साबायखर जासिबाय दानिया जोंनि गेजेराव
languishing in the bottom of the table, a porous defense and a misfiring offense affected their run of results. And however, the primary target will be to qualify for the knockouts, and in order to stay in sync with their mission, 3 points tonight is of utmost importance for the home team.
जायगायानो फिलाप जाजोब्बाय आरोना नै ओरैबायदि मानसि जाबाय आरोना
Despite the limited exposure, they showed some very good football against the practice matches that they played against Northeast United and Odisha FC.
Start जाबाय गेमा
Here comes Indian Army. Christopher, early ball in, the flag stays down and it has trickled in just underneath the goalkeeper. And a blistering start for Indian Army football team is Samir Murmu, who opens the scoring for the visitors here.
Right on the 5 minutes, and that's how it went in. Look at the chip. He was right on the line there. Very difficult to say if it was offside, but Samir Murmu really goes on, glides at ball, goalkeeper tries, but in vain. And what a goal that is. Amazing lead here from the Army.
Itu malah kadang menangani. Continue. No. Gimana bagi hulus terlalu nuarana. Dasimauhai Indian Army 1-5 Bodoland FC 0 जानानै दं आरोना. ओरैबायदि नारा जागासिनो दं बला ओरैबायदि आयो दा होनसै. Baila sebaik sargar sebaik Durand Cup gol nih Durand Cup gol public berni ulus tur salah game salah oरैबायदि नारा नाथालै.
This could be the moment because Thapa brought down inside the box and referee points to the spot. It's a penalty for Indian Army football team. Vociferously challenging the decision is Ichezona, but the decision has already been made. Look at that check back onto his weak left foot, forcing that foul. Birkhang standing on his line, spreading out his arms, trying to make himself look as big as possible. Here goes Suresh Mitai and he makes it count. Sends the keeper the wrong way. And 2-0 Indian Army football team. And the fans have already started to leave the stadium, Henry.
Brilliant piece of work from Bikash. And that's the reason why there's a celebration over here. They were on tender hooks when there was a lot of possession from Bodoland entering into their attacking third. But what a fantastic finish this is from Suresh Mehta.
Bilana secara baik oरैबायदि hulus tur आरोना. Gimana मोजां जाखायासै आरो आंनि थाखायथ'. Bila Indian Army गरसे सोबावबाय आरोना. Hulus tur जाबाय ओरैथिंजाय. Gima जोबसियानो आरोना. Gima जोबसियानो. Last moves moonsnya apa ya Rena? एक्सट्रा गरसे सोनो हाबाय ओमफ्राय बिसनिफ्राय किपारा आउट जाबाय आरोना
Will there be a twist in the tale? In comes the corner. There's the header. Hits the answer underside of the post. And look, and an equalizer for the home team. It's Joe who restores parity in the closing stages of this game. But we need to wait. For the third time, the ball just entering the back of the net. And it's sent off for Thakuri. All kinds of chaos in the goal mouth.
What happened over here is the ball came very well. The header was struck superbly, straight hitting the crossbar and getting inside the box. Look at that header. Absolutely brilliant.
That's the full-time whistle. And a memorable night for the Indian Army football team.
दायो गेमा जोब्बाय आरोना दायो गेमा जोब्बाय ओमफ्राय इन्डियान आर्मियाथ' जाहैबाय 2 रिजाल्टआ जाहैबाय इन्डियान आर्मि 2 आरो बड'लेण्ड एफसिआ जाहैबाय 1 गैया आरोना बड'लेण्ड एफसिआ जेनबायखौनो होनदो गैला नै सियारफ्रानो बायला जोब्बाय आरोना ओरैबायदि गेमा दिनैनि गेमा मोजां जायासै आरो आंनि थाखायथ' मोजां जाखायासै